Hi everyone, welcome back. Got another really cool car here. This time it's not a Mustang, but it is a Ford. It's a 1963 Fairlane 500 sports coupe. And it's not just your average sports coupe. It's a 289 HIPO factory K code. Very rare car, only a couple hundred made. This car was sold new in California. The car itself has 20,000 original miles. It's the factory color. Super straight car, really nice trim. The car's kind of got a couple little race type items on it. You can see the old school Mickey Thompson ET drags. Here's a copy of the original window sticker. Absolutely beautiful car. It was sold new at Frank Taylor Ford in LA. Came out of the San Jose plant. Heritage Burgundy, 4-speed. And the car does have something a little extra on it for a little more power. It's got a Paxton Supercharger. Car is extremely straight. Very nice paint. The trim and bright work is in excellent condition. Let's pop the trunk. All right. Trunk is extremely clean. Very well shown. Original jack instruction sticker. The car's all original sheet metal. The car has no rust. When I say no rust, I literally mean no rust. All your spare and jack. Original quarters with the original sound deadener on both sides. Couple show boards here. It's claimed that the car had some work done by Shelby American, that they did some of these. I have yet to really research that. There's some copies of the checks and deposits where it was bought new. The car has its original window sticker, which is very, very rare. I mean, you don't see them with that type of paperwork. There's original down payment check from the original owner. Here's just some facts about the car and some of the things that are on it. Here's a letter from the Ford advisor talking about the 63, 64 Fairlane 289 HIPO engines. Odometer statement, old registration. Just a lot of documentation. There's the title. But you can see the trunk is in excellent shape. No rust here in these body lines. So let's go to the part that everybody probably wants to see. The roof. Oh man, the car is beautiful. It's got a hood prop rod. There's the engine. It's got the original 289 HIPO, 4-speed. There's the VIN, 3R47K. Original San Jose radiator. I mean, the car is dry as a bone. It's got the HIPO exhaust manifolds. Car is absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and start it up. Oh, let's show you the interior first. There's the door tag. Really clean door jambs. Back seat. These seat belts are really trick. Original Fomoco seat belts. Almost like a 65, 66 Shelby type seat belt. Headliner's in great shape. It's got a 66 GT350 tack. It's got a 65, 66 style GT350 Cobra steering wheel. It's a Moto Lita. 20,231 original miles. Console, excellent condition. Seats are in great shape. Let's start it up here. Oh, I'm used to a Mustang. The ignition on this car is on the left-hand side. Hear those solid lifters? Love those Mickey Thompsons. Really cool. Beautiful car. Oh, got the blinker on. Door shuts super easy. The gaps on this car are incredible. Now we'll do a driving video.